Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel.
What's up, guys?
Welcome back, Eddie. We are finally here. How long has it been since we started talking about this R9T?
A few months now.
A few months. I have been waiting to get rid of this white. I don't have any white bikes. White bike's not really my thing. But I finally figured out the color, yes, and I cannot wait to get it done. So we're gonna get the bike unloaded and get it in the shop, and we're gonna do a little quick tour around the shop just to kind of show you his, this is your first shop, like your first on your own. So I'm excited for Eddie. So let's get this bike unloaded and let's do this, man. All right, so we got the bike unloaded. It didn't fall. I know that's what you guys were waiting for. But let's do a quick little tour around the shop. So Eddie does paint, but he does the small parts, right? That's what your niche and forte is like the small stuff, right?
Small stuff. I mean, still do
you
bumpers.
Can do the cars and stuff like that. So stay tuned because we've got 3 videos today. Broken up into 3 different videos. We're going to be doing some hydro dipping, we're going to be doing some painting, and we're going to be doing some taillight tinting. So make sure that you stay tuned for the other videos. Those will be coming out. This video will probably be the last reveal. So, dude, I'm so stoked. I can't wait because the color, wait until you see this color. The color, it's almost like in the sun, like a light gray, and then at night it's like a dark gray. Yep. It's so dope. So you've got a ginormous. How many gallon tank is this?
650, 700 gallons probably.
Crazy. So the hydro dip. If you guys don't know how this works, you guys will be able to see this firsthand because we're going to be doing some parts that are going to be hydro dipped. Now, all of the carbon fiber on the bike was actually carbon dipped. In fact, so the process real quick. So you prime it, basically.
Yes. So you basically prep it to paint. Same way you would on anything you're painting.
And this is prepped, right?
No, that's finished. That's a matte black.
Oh, he went with.
Let's say, for example, you would get these in base coat, block base coat, just like that.
Prep it, and then put the film in,
and then this is the film. It's almost like a window tint material.
Right. Yeah.
And you put this on the water, and what it does is that the water soaks up into it and allows the ink to sit on the top. And then once you put a special activator over the top of this, well, now you're just revealing just the ink on top, which is actually going to give you your bike into your panel. So this will actually stick like nails to the panel. To that. Okay, so real quick, how many times have you actually taken a little piece and put it on your tongue? A lot. All right. No, I actually do that a lot because I got to lick my fingers, and there's a certain side you got to put this down versus up. So you got to know which side. Which side is up? So I'm like turning the page in a book, you know? Yeah. Lick your finger and. So which one? See that side. So that's the transfer side. That's the side you're gonna put on the bottom. Got it. Okay. Otherwise, you put it upside down, you're just screwed all up, and it's. And then it's just. So then you're getting stocked up with paint soon. So you told me all about that. So the paint booth. I'm excited about this paint booth. So let's take a look because we've got some carbon fiber hydro dipped parts already in the paint booth that were just done, and we're doing you're not talking like I got a mouse in my pocket. You're going to be doing the final polish on it, and then, but man, look at this. I mean, it looks so unbelievably real. Like, I mean, it looks like real carbon fiber. That's so the crazy. Whole goal is try to make it look real, because of course it's all look like. Yeah. You know, it's not real carbon fiber. You don't get that benefit, but you get it for a cheaper cost. A fraction of the cost. Because I think we had talked about like on my parts it was about $350, $400 for like cost, and just the 2 valve covers were like $500 in carbon fiber. And let's be honest, I don't really care about carbon fiber, but I like the look. So super cool. All right, so the bike, you're gonna get it torn apart. Yep. Primed, painted, and we're gonna have video footage for you guys. I'm gonna leave him a GoPro. I'm super stoked. So let's be back here in a few minutes. Sounds good.
up, guys? We're back here at Shreddog Hydrographics here in Chico, picking up the R NineT Racer. Guys, it looks gorgeous. I can't tell you guys I can't even describe to you how amazing this color looks. BMW, guys, if you guys are watching, you gotta paint a bike this color. And it has to be like this style bike, I feel like. Yes. The R NineT has to come in this color option. But without further ado, I'm not gonna hold you guys up too much, but let's take a look at this thing because it is, whoo, absolutely beautiful. So this is, I'm gonna butcher the name, and I think it's Hydrographic Gray, right? Yes. Hydrographic Gray. It's we originally saw it on the BMW M8 competition when me and Bogner were BMW shopping, and the color in it, and if you guys, I don't know if it'll pick up the metallic flake that's in it, but Eddie added, of course, more for me because I like the bling, but the coloring is just absolutely perfect. Like this bike should have come this way as an option. Like this bike is it now. This is absolutely it.
It's definitely
almost done. Now I know we got to deal with the frame, and I know we got to deal with the rear sets. Those things are coming, but Eddie did paint at the last minute the engine covers. He painted them black for me. So, dude, thank you so much.
Welcome, man.
So make sure you follow Eddie on Instagram and Facebook, because if you guys do follow him, or if you did follow him, you would have seen this bike a couple weeks ago. Also, we're picking up some farm truck stuff, so you guys would have seen him doing some hydro dipping on the farm truck stuff. So make sure you head over to Instagram, Shreddog Hydrographics, Instagram and Facebook. He posts up all the time there. If you guys have any parts that you want to get dipped, he does shipping, so you can send them to him. He'll dip them, paint them, ship them back to you, and reasonably priced.
And if you just have questions, shoot me a question. I'll feel free to answer that.
Yeah, he can do anything. You just dip like a whole BMW 1250 GS, right?
Yep.
All carbon fiber. Chris
I got a couple more projects in the works right now.
Chris copied me because I got my carbon fiber dip. I know you did, Chris. But he dipped all of the side covers and everything for the R NineT. He did in the carbon fiber. So look, it's a fraction of the cost of the real carbon fiber. And look, I don't need carbon fiber. So make sure you hit up Eddie. But dude, thanks again. Thank you.
Welcome,
Make sure you hit that like button, please. It's more important than you guys know. But smash that subscribe button as well. Leave me a comment down below. What's next on the R NineT? Is there anything else left, or is it complete? I don't know. But we're gonna be out riding this thing soon. So stay tuned. Weather, it's chilly weather, man.
Yeah.
I think we dipped down to like 50.
Today feels good though. Today's good. Hopefully it warms up.
And I know you guys love when I'm above airplanes, so enjoy the plane flying by. But thank you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Until next time, the R NineT will be out on the road soon. We'll see you then, guys.